Good morning, Todd from Walnut Ridge. It is Friday, obviously, Video Friday. Just wanted to touch base with you. A lot of people out there don't know how detailed our facility is, what all that we can do here. So this unit right here, it is in for some insurance work and customer pay. We had a tire blowout, so we were replacing all the metal and the awning on this one. We are doing a full roof on this as well. So roof job going on, getting ready to start. The tech is in process. He is off today. He is doing metal replacement from the tire blowout, new tires on it. If you come around the front here, we are replacing all of this. So we're replacing the metal here and all the metal all the way up the decals on this. Let me see what the side of over here. I don't really see any damage on this side. So it looks like the tire blowout was probably on the other side of this unit, but we are a full service center. We have a paint booth, we have a body shop, we have technicians for that. Then we are standing in our service department right now. We have 16 technicians and they are all certified technicians. We do have a master certified technician as well. So we can do any kind of work out there. So a lot of people don't know how big we are and what all that we can do at our facility. So I just wanted to touch base with you. If you do have any insurance claims or need an estimate done, you can call our service department, get it scheduled in. We are in our slower season. We are busy, but don't wait till, April, May when we really ramp up. So if you need any of this done or maintenance done, get in here, get it scheduled in so we can get you back on the road and enjoying your RV. Hope you have a great weekend.